Here's an app called Amazon Seller. Go to app for online business. So you can just tap get it and then double click to install. And then, manage your Amazon business on the go with Amazon Seller. Analyze your sales, fulfill orders, find products to sell, manage offers, inventory, and returns. Quickly respond to customer questions. Capture and edit professional quality product photos. Create listings right from your mobile device. So yeah, if you used to sell on Amazon, of course, maybe you get started by setting up it on desktop or using like the Amazon website. But it's a good option to to use also an app, especially with these newer phones. Me personally, I often switch to apps when I set up my all the main things on the desktop, and then you can just use your phone. It's very convenient for notifications, for checking the stats in real time on your fingertips, even doing some simple things. And yeah, you can just select your marketplace from here, and then sign in with your Amazon seller account. You need to have active seller account. So that's how you get started.